darling. Show them that beautiful, beautiful hair. Shake it. Turn around. Let me see the back. So they can see those gorgeous curls. Yes, honey. Ooh. Okay, how do you feel?
I love it. I have not been to the hairdresser in, let's just say, pre-COVID. And before then, Miss Noir did my hair. I've been rocking nothing but buns since pre-COVID. So I ran across her again online, and I was like, I have to make an appointment.
And what did you get done today?
I had my hair perm. I got a relaxer. I had it trimmed. I did a bad trim job myself. And then I got this beautiful side here. Look at this. Oh, you don't do. I feel cute.
You are cute, honey. You are cute.
Thank you.